In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix slow performance of your Windows. So let's get started. So first is we need to make a right click at the start button, and here we can find the option run. Or you can simply press the Windows key and letter R button together for the shortcut to open the run window. And here you just need to simply type TEMP. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's TEMP and click on OK. Now, there are a lot of temporary files in here created by your system, so we just need to press on one file and then press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then we have to click the delete bin or delete icon right here at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. Close this. Then again, press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. This time in the run window, you need to type percentage T EMP percentage. So it's percentage TEMP percentage. Click on OK. Then the same thing, click on one folder and press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. Remember that not all of these files will be deleted because these are used by the current programs on your Windows, and that is totally fine. And again, press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. This time you need to type prefetch and click on OK. Delete everything from here. Then hit the delete bin at the top. Okay, and then close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here you need to simply type disk cleanup. Okay, now click on disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive, and this window will appear from here. So just need to simply select all these options. Okay, and then we have to click on clean up system files. Click on OK again for the Windows C drive, and you just need to wait for this process to be done. Okay, now once done, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, and you need to simply type choose. Now the choose a power plant option will appear under the best match. Then you just need to go ahead and click on that. Then here, if you have the high performance on your Windows, then you can simply switch to high performance as your selected plan. So if you have the high performance, then you just need to simply choose that and then close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl under the best match, click on that. Now the system properties window will appear. Now we just have to click on the advanced tab, and here we can find performance. Click on the settings button. Then here we just need to click on adjust for best performance, but you can also enable some of the options right here, like show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on apply and click on OK, and then click on OK. So right click at the start button, and here you will find task manager. Okay, so once you find the task manager, maximize it. Then in the list of options on the left pane, you will find startup apps. Click on that. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. Then here we just need to simply disable the unnecessary startup program, but do not disable the antivirus. And then you just have to disable the unnecessary ones like Discord, Xbox, and any other applications which is unnecessary. You just have to make a right click and then select disable. So most of my startup programs are already disabled, so you can also do yours. Then once done, finally we need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows to apply all the changes that we have made. And after that, you will see a great difference for the performance of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.